Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will explore Google in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 27th of February, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed on our latest insights. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of AI technology and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 27th of February, 2025, our system has classified Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.06. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will keep monitoring this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 1.07% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 1.07% to 24.16%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 20.57%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 18.19% to 49.31% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $199.15 and $251.58. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google stock downgraded to sell candidate. The Google stock price declined by 2.45% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 27th of February, 2025, dropping from $172.73 to $168.50. This marks the 6th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 3.93%, with a low of $167.94 and a high of $174.54. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 8.23% over this period. Trading volume increased by 4 million shares on the last day, even as prices fell. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 38 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $6.46 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $207.05, while the lowest was $130.67. Currently, the price is 18.62%, or $38.55, below the 52-week high, and 93.12%, or $2,280.42, below the all-time high of $2,448.92, recorded on June 14, 2021. Google, identified by the ticker Google, is making headlines today with significant developments that could influence its stock price in both the short and long term. The company has initiated layoffs within its human resources and cloud divisions as part of ongoing efforts to reduce costs. This decision, while difficult for affected employees, is intended to reallocate resources toward critical hiring in sales and engineering roles, which may enhance operational efficiency and boost morale among remaining staff. In a positive turn of events, Waymo, Alphabet's autonomous vehicle unit, reports that it has doubled its weekly robotaxi rides in less than a year, now exceeding 200,000 rides each week. This growth underscores the viability of Waymo's business model, thereby bolstering investor confidence in its long-term valuation, which analysts suggest could reach anywhere between $350 billion to $850 billion by the year 2030 if it is spun off. However, not all news is favorable. A Canadian regulator has announced plans to impose fees on Google to cover costs associated with enforcing a law governing payments for news content. This could lead to regulatory pressures and additional expenses for the company. In terms of stock impact, the layoffs may lead to a short-term dip as investors react to the restructuring news, while Waymo's success could foster long-term positivity, enhancing Alphabet's market valuation. Balancing these factors will be crucial for investors as they evaluate Google's trajectory moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 10, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 7th, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald rated Google as neutral with a hold action. On Friday, January 3rd, 2025, Wolfe Research provided Google with an outperform grade and a hold action. On Thursday, January 2nd, 2025, JMP Securities issued a market perform grade for Google, accompanied by a downgrade action. On Thursday, November 21st, 2024, UBS gave Google a neutral grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Google stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Google. At present, there are few to no technical positive signals. The Google stock reflects sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal is present, indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance at the levels of $177.92 and $190.30. A breakthrough above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, with the stock having decreased by 18.35% since then. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot has been established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MEMACD. Yesterday, volume increased despite falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you may find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 74 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.60 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 3.93%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.94%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Google, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This essential metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal, frequently observed in companies with long histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.02. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google stands at $191.33. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this point, which indicates that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Google from various analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of February in the year 2025, Amy Thuner O'Toole executed an insider purchase of 1,374 shares of Class C capital stock. On the same day, Amy Thuner O'Toole also conducted an insider sale of 1,374 shares of Class C Google stock units. Once again, on the 25th of February, Amy Thuner O'Toole sold 1,390 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the same date, John L. Hennessy made an insider purchase of 1,920 shares of Class C Capital stock. On the same day, John L. Hennessy also sold 1,920 shares of Class C Capital stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we observe that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 21.207. Overall, insiders have acquired 1,585,451 shares and disposed of 1,027,678 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and currently there is no stop loss in place. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google exhibits several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 28th of February, we expect Google to open higher by $1.83, initiating trading at $170.33. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.